Hello and welcome to Coding Challenge number 22. Today's challenge involves a bit of a story. Now imagine this. You're a detective who is investigating a group of dangerous criminals and you want to infiltrate their communication network. However, the criminals are smart and they only use older generation GSM telephones like this one to send their messages to each other. After each message, they throw the phone away, so there is no chance of intercepting their phone's signal. So you decide to observe their movements instead and record the digits they press on the keyboard. From that, it is up to you to recover the message they've written. So here is your challenge for today. Given a number with a random number of digits, find all possible words which those digits could form. To help you along, I will give you two hints. For the first, you can use the image you see here to map each digit to the possible characters it represents. Please consider that number 1 and number 0 do not represent any characters. For the second hint, you can use the Enchant library to extract the full English dictionary for your consultation. As always, I wish you the best of luck and I look forward to seeing you again next week for the solution. Until then, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Oh, and happy coding!